Hello, Jack. Jack? Hello. Hello. How are you? Are you good? Are you bad? Are you happy? Are you sad? Can you hear me? Okay. What did you say?
Can't hear you.
Oh, you can't hear me. Okay,
But
can you
I
hear
can
me?
hear
Oh, but
you.
okay. How are you? Are you good? Are you bad? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you angry?
Think again.
Okay, are you happy? Are you sad? Are you angry? How was school, Jack? Was it good?
And I am a bit angry because in my game my play my plane was broken.
Oh, it was broken, so you couldn't play?
No, and and I and, I- and I some money, but I have I have money. Have to to I have to take and the game takes away my money and now my pen was not broken.
Oh, okay. So now you have no money.
No, now I still have money.
Okay, but not as much
I,
money.
no, no, I am rich and many money.
Okay, you have lots of money. Good. Okay, let's see what we are doing today.
Hundreds of money.
Hundreds of money. That's very good. Is this on your game?
Yes,
And what
on
is
my mommy.
on your mommy's phone? Okay, and what is the game called? What game do you play?
I don't remember.
Okay, you don't remember. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, let's review. I think we did this one, but I think we didn't finish this one. Oh, we did finish this one. Okay, so we did that one.
Oh,
Let's,
we finished that one.
yes. So I'm gonna go back to the game, the work. I'm not gonna make you do it again. Okay, making things, supplies. So when we make things, we need other things to make things. Those are called supplies. So if you want to make food, you're going to need supplies. So if you want to make like macaroni and cheese, the supplies that you are going to need will be a pot, some water, some macaroni, some cheese, maybe some chicken to put in the pasta. Okay, what do you think this is called? Did
Kitchen. Kitchen.
did you ask for a minute or did you say I don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, it's called an apron.
Well,
Yes, apron. So we wear it. So when we cook or if we paint, we don't dirty our clothes. Okay, and what is this called?
I don't know too.
Okay, it's called a toothpick. So it's a little wooden stick that you use to get food out from in between your teeth. Okay, what is this called? Do you know what this is called, Jack?
Green.
It's called a paper clip.
Paperclip.
I know that, but I don't remember.
Okay, as long as you know it, sometimes we just need to remember a little bit. Okay, and what do you think this is called?
Hmm. I don't know.
Cardboard.
Cardboard. Okay, and this is easy, I think. It's four letters. It starts with a T. It's a T. It's an A. It's a P. It's
Masking tape.
tape or masking tape. So a lot of people will just say tape, but this specific tape is called masking tape. Okay, and what do you think this is?
I don't know.
You don't
Modeling
know.
clay.
Modeling clay. Do you know what modeling clay is?
Yeah.
Okay, because I will show you, but I don't know where I put it. I have modeling clay somewhere. Okay, so here we have some other words. Can you read these for me?
Two.
Sheet. And this word?
Row.
Good. This word?
Bow.
Oh, good. How do you say this?
Bat.
Bat.
Is like a bat.
Like a bat, like the animal. Okay, so that's easy. I can remember
Bat.
that. So a bowl is a bat. Okay. This word?
A few.
Good. Next word?
A little.
Yes. This one?
A lot of.
Good
sheet,
job.
roll,
bowl, a few, a little, a lot of,
Okay. So questions with how many and how much and countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so you know countable and uncountable nouns. We were busy with that. So how many is how many with something that is countable, or is how many something that is uncountable? Jack, do we use how many for countable nouns or for uncountable nouns?
Um, I don't know.
Okay, so if we say how many bananas, it means we can count it. So I can say I want 2 bananas. Okay, and then how much is how much with uncountable nouns or countable nouns? How much is it with countable nouns or uncountable nouns?
How much is uncomfortable now?
Good job. Okay, so how many aprons do we have? We have 3 aprons. How much cardboard do we have? We have 6 sheets of cardboard. So yes, we use how much for something we can count, but when we have something like cardboard, the same as cheese, we don't say cheeses, we say 2 blocks of cheese. So with cardboard, we say 6 sheets of cardboard. Okay. Now we're going to listen, point, and say. Okay, so what is number 5?
Five is five.
Ma-
Masking.
masking.
Masking time
Good. What is number 3?
is number three. Paper plate.
Good. What is number 1?
Number one is airport.
Good. What is number 4? What is number 4? Jack?
Number four is cardboard.
Good. What is number 2? Okay, Jack, I am with you. Just give me 2 seconds. Okay, but while I'm busy, I can still hear you. Tell me what is number 2?
Toothpick.
Good. And what is number 6?
Number six is not a plane.
Good. Well done. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I just had to do something quick. Okay, listen, say, then practice. Okay, a model of the Parthenon. Do you know what a Parthenon is? Okay, a Parthenon, let me show you. Parthenon, I think, is Roman. Do you know the Romans?
Yes,
Okay, so it was those big, beautiful buildings that the Romans built. I have it here. Oops. Okay, so these are pictures of the Parthenon. Okay, so it's in Athens. Okay, so it's a mixture of there's Greek, yeah, Greece, Athens in Greece, and then the Romans also have something very similar, but these are the Greek ones, not the Roman ones. Okay, so let's look here. So now let's listen.
Page 54. B. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
How many aprons do we have?
We have 3 aprons.
How much cardboard do we have?
We have 6 sheets of cardboard.
Sheets of cardboard. Rolls of masking tape. Bowls of modeling clay.
1,
How many aprons do we have? We have 3 aprons.
2,
How many toothpicks do we have? We have 15 toothpicks.
3,
How many paper clips do we have? We have 10 paper clips.
4,
How much cardboard do we have? We have 6 sheets of cardboard.
5,
How much masking tape do we have? We have 4 rolls of masking tape.
6,
How much modeling clay do we have? We have 2 bowls of modeling clay.
Okay, so let's start. Number 1. How many aprons do we have? Jack? Jack! How? I didn't hear you.
yes,
How many aprons do we have? Okay, we have 3 aprons. Good. Number 2. How many toothpicks do we have? Good. How many paper clips do we have? Good. Number 4. How how much cardboard do we have?
We have 6 sheets of cardboard.
Good. How many rolls of masking tape do we have?
I have 4 masking tape.
Good. And how many bowls of modeling clay do we have?
We have 4 Modeling clay.
Page 50.
Okay, listen, ask, then answer. Okay, so here we can see they've got aprons, they've got masking tape, they have a big wad of paper clips, they've got some cardboard, there's some toothpicks, and there is modeling clay. Okay, so now we're going to use words like a few or a lot of, and a little or a lot of.
Page 55. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
How many aprons do they have?
They have a few aprons.
How many aprons do they have?
They have a lot of aprons.
How much cardboard do they have?
They have a little cardboard.
How much cardboard do they have?
They have a lot of cardboard. 1,
How many aprons do they have? They have a few aprons.
2,
How much masking tape do they have? They have a lot of masking tape.
3,
How many paper clips do they have? They have a lot of paper clips.
4,
How much cardboard do they have? They have a lot of cardboard.
5,
How many toothpicks do they have? They have a few toothpicks.
6,
How much modeling clay do they have? They have a little modeling clay.
Okay, so let's try. Number 1. How many aprons do they have?
They have a few aprons.
Good. Number 2. How much masking tape do they have?
They have a lot of masking.
Good. Number 3. How many paper clips do they have? How many paper clips do they have?
They have They have a lot of paper clips.
Good. Number 4. How much cardboard do they have?
They
How much cardboard do they have, Jack? Is it a little? Is it a lot of? Jack.
a lot of
Good. Number 5. How many toothpicks do they have?
a few.
Good. And number 6. How much modeling clay do they have?
Lot of.
A lot of? That's a little.
page 50.
Okay. Listen, then answer the question. So this is about Debbie's kitchen.
Page 55. Skills. Reading and writing. D. Listen and read. Then answer the questions. Debbie's kitchen.
A reader named Annie wants to bake cookies for 25 classmates. She has a lot of sugar, a little salt, and a tablespoon of baking soda. She also has a few eggs and a half cup of butter. She wants to know how much flour she'll need. Annie, you can bake 50 cookies for your classmates. You will need 4 cups of flour. You will also need 1 more cup of butter. Have fun, Debbie.
1,
Does Annie need more butter?
2,
How many cookies can Annie bake?
3,
How much salt does Annie have?
Okay. So number 1, does Annie need more butter?
Yes.
Good.
page 55. Skills. Reading.
Okay. How many cookies can Annie bake?
15.
50, not 15. Okay, and how much salt does Annie have? 'How much salt does Annie have?
A little.
Good. Okay. Circle the quantifiers, then rewrite. Okay. Quantifiers are words that come before nouns and tell us how much or how many. Okay, so for example, they need a few or a little paper clips. She has a little or a lot of aprons. Let me block that out. He wants a lot of or a few cardboard. Okay, so what's the answer for number 1? Do they need a few paper clips or do they need a little paper clip?
Um,
Is it a little or is it a few?
a few.
Good, they need a few paper clips. And she has a little or she has a lot of aprons? Is it a little or is it a lot? Jack, Mr. Sleepyhead, are you tired?
Yeah.
I can see that. Okay, so does she have a little aprons or does she have a lot of aprons?
A little.
A lot. A little is something we can't count, but we can count aprons. Okay, and he wants a lot of cardboard or he wants a few cardboard?
A few.
No, it's a lot of. Okay, so it's a few paper clips, a lot of aprons, and a lot of cardboard. Okay, so now number 1, let's match. So which picture shows us masking tape? Picture E. Which picture shows us aprons?
Picture F
Which picture shows us paper clips?
is A.
Good. Which picture shows us modeling clay?
B.
Which picture shows us cardboard?
B.
And which picture shows us toothpick?
C.
D, very good. Okay, now we gotta connect. So how much paper clips does she have? I'm confused on how they want us to connect. Give me a second. Oh, okay. How much paper clips does she have? She has a lot of paper clips. Okay, so it goes like this. So how many paper clips do they have? Because there's two people. So it's they have a lot of paper clips. Okay, then this one is how much modeling clay does she have? She has no, okay, that's my mistake. So it's 1 and 1. Okay. So now what is number 2? Is it how much cardboard does he have? Or how many toothpicks do they have? They have a little cardboard. Okay, that one was a little bit confusing. Okay, we have 6. Is it A, 6 cardboards, or A or B, 6 sheets of cardboard?
B.
B, very good, but it's not meant to have the S. Okay. Yay! Han River Bridge. That looks very pretty. Have you been there? Jack, have you visited this bridge? Okay, she has 6 paper clips or 6 pairs of paper clips. Is it good? Dragon Bridge. Okay. They have A, 3 rolls of masking tape, or B, 3 masking tapes.
3 rows of
Good. 3 rolls of masking tape. Oh, they didn't show us the video. Okay. He has 2 rices or 2 bowls of rice.
rows.
Good. Okay. She has a box of toothpicks or 10 toothpicks.
Up.
A box. Okay, but let's see what happens if we put the wrong door.
Oh
Oh no, he's not happy with us. He's sad. Okay, good. So now let us review. Okay, a few or a little. Okay, so now we're going to decide whether we have to use a little or a few. Is it a little apples or a few apples?
A little.
Okay, remember apples we can count. So if it's
A
countable,
few.
good.
A few.
Countable, we use a few. Uncountable, we use a little. Okay,
A
right.
little. A little.
Bicycles,
A few.
Trees.
A little.
A few. You can count trees. Boys.
A few.
Good. Oops. Money.
A little.
Good. Dogs.
A few. A few.
Good. Time.
A little.
Sugar.
A little. A
Cup.
few.
Good.
A
Bread.
little. A
Ice.
few.
Water.
A little.
Luck.
A little.
Friends.
A few.
Chairs.
Yes. 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 A few.
Okay. Coffee.
Yes. A little. A few. A few.
A little. It's a little. Coffee is a liquid, so you can't really count the liquid unless you say like how many bottles of coffee, I mean cups of coffee, how many bottles of water. um, Children,
A little.
a few. Work,
A little.
men.
A few.
Decide whether you have to use a little or a few. Could I have sugar for my tea, please? Is it, could I have a
A
few
little.
sugar?
A
Good.
little.
If you want to make pancakes, you need eggs and flour. So is it a few eggs or a little egg?
A few.
Good. And a little flour or a few flour?
A little.
Good. Okay. So we have less than 1 minute left. So let's end the lesson quickly and then we come back for the last 5 minutes. Okay. See you now.